Whether you are a professional organizer looking to support your clients with hoarding behavior or need help with a major decluttering job and thinking about hiring a professional organizer, today's video is for you. There are 5 steps in the decluttering and organizing process where an organizer can help you out. They are assessing the problem, setting goals and planning, helping with sorting and decision making, emotional support, and organizational strategies. You do not have to tackle these projects on your own. There is actually an entire industry of folks who make it their career to help people struggling with clutter. And if this sounds like a career for you, be sure to click the link in the description box for specialized training in this field. So how can a professional organizer help those dealing with extreme clutter or hoarding behaviors? The first step is to assess. When dealing with a massive decluttering job, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Organizers know where to start and how to gather all the necessary resources like hauling service, donation centers, estate liquidators, or hiring an appraiser. You may need cleaning services or contractors or additional storage. It takes a village to downsize a house, and professional organizers act as the project manager. Next is clarifying goals and setting priorities. Organizers are usually working backwards from a specific date, like an open house, a moving day. And in cases of hoarding, we may be working from a checklist from a health worker, a landlord, a zoning official, or a list that came from an HOA. Organizers help decide which categories to tackle and in what order. Next, we have sorting and decision making. Professional organizers are problem solvers. We sort clutter into manageable categories and then assist our clients in making decisions. But here's the catch. When dealing with hoarding behavior, decision making can be tough because what seems logical to us might appear irrational to our clients. For me, this is the hardest thing about working with people who struggle with extreme clutter. You really have to zig and zag to find solutions that seem really straightforward to an outsider. It is a constant negotiation. Now let's talk about emotional support. When the decluttering process starts, family and friends can get pretty judgmental. I often request that others kind of step aside during our sessions to keep things from getting too emotionally heated. My job is to provide non-judgmental support and solutions while keeping the clean out on schedule. Lastly, we've got organizational strategies. Professional organizers are masters at maximizing storage and setting up functional spaces. But here's the deal. We need to clear away the clutter first. If you hire an organizer, your reward will be spaces filled with things you truly love and use, and we will help get you there. To learn about one of the major contributors to hoarding behavior, check out last week's video on compulsive shopping and hoarding. Please subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.